guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my cousin's channel. I'm going to be showing you my slime tool and my thing. So here guys, with my slime tool, I have my bowl, my plates, my little plate. And here's my cousin, her channel. Just here. And I have her some glue of mine. I'm gonna make a purple slime today, I think.
And I'm just gonna make a white. Yes, I'm gonna make a white.
And we have. And this
come at them close from there like that.
Not me. And this is an empty Elmo glue. I never did that. And this is a slime, a purplish whitish slime. And in here, this is like my story where my borax. Step back, Layla. And there's my Bella one. That guys,
Right there,
let's
dear.
get started. So I'm gonna add my. First, I'm gonna add my glue.
This should up here, so you can lay down play up here.
Yeah, Crystal, common sense.
Oh no, I didn't. Here's I have my
Make one also.
and here's her slime we made. Oi!
Stay here now, no fucking go park.
Sorry guys.
You shut up.
Sorry. Hey, this is mine.
So no boy, you.
Don't say me. There's nothing in there.
No, just leave them.
No, grab your borax because she's gonna make it. I'm gonna punch you.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get carried on with this. Okay, guys, and we have a white slime, and I'm gonna make it. Oh my god, this.
Oops, I overactivated it.
No, you didn't overactivate it.
Look. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so sticky.
If Lizame come here, punch her, Ali. Punch her. Fuck her up.
Get this slime. So
It's I tried
so
it.
stretchy.
So, and it has purple in it. So
Yeah.
Join all the purple. Because I want it to be like a nice purple.
Like a nice color purple, yeah.
Yeah, like I joined.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna open this and start pouring the purple in.
I have nails. Fake nails, not real. I would get real nails when I could grow up. So
I would get real nails right now because I saw little kids. They wasn't little kids. They were like, they were teenagers. Okay, let me make my slime, please, Chris. I let you use my glue this morning. Sharing.
I gotta say something because the thing.
Please, just only a little bit. I'm gonna still buy another.
But you need a bowl. I'm using this bowl. Sorry.
I'm gonna make it on my hands.
No. So guys, we're making a slime. Oops, that was a comment.
I go make it on here, please.
Oh wait, first can you go make the borax?
No,
Yeah.
we're good. Okay, guys, first I'm gonna make my borax.
Go make the borax.
First, if you wanna make your borax, do you wanna add it? No, we don't need plate.
No, we
Get in
didn't.
trouble.
No, one. I'm just gonna make my name here, like
Guys, borax is so full. I am so scared.
Add water first.
No, this is how I do my borax.
No, guys. No, you add water, Lola. Then the.
No, guys, comment down below who's right.
No, Layla, you're gonna make first you add water, then the thing.
No, guys.
Layla, you're getting it wrong.
But am I, guys? She's lying. Like she's lying. I'm always right, and I will be right.
Now put water in, then the thing, the sugar.
I am always right. She is so wrong, guys. Comment down below who's right about it. Like
I cheat. Because first you have to put the water in, then was using it for the borax. Where's the fucking borax?
Oh my god, she's squared. I not caught.
One by one, go shower, please, before mom gets home. Quick, and then you fucking play with them something and not make you mess your inside here.
We're not.
Shut up, Lizzie. You don't talk bigger.
I'm gonna buy this one again and that cake and that.
Well, I built them glue in the dark. Glue with GBO, but I don't want to buy it. Maybe it's a small name.
It's actually good to go in the dark.
Yeah, it's like a good accommodation.
I bought some new clothes today and I was.
Did I say accommodation? It's like a good. I don't know.
You're right. She's right. You have to put one in then salt.
No, guys. No, comment down below.
Comment in the hole. Sorry, guys.
The phone just has a.
Wait, the ball. Wait.
Channel. Only a minute.
I need. Whoops. I need 4 minutes left.
That's a bit higher. Okay, let me make my slime.
I'm finished, guys. So who's comment down below that who's the best slime in the world. Oh wait, I need my grandma's list. Where's the spoon?
Let's get started.
I need to get. Oi, wait! You said you're gonna make it in your hand.
Oh, yeah. That's right, in my hands. So let's just put some in my hands. That's on my hands. No, that's enough. That's enough. I think. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, she's shaking the borax.
So here, at the works. Well, I need to just take my time. You need a spoon, Lila?
I just swallowed borax, guys.
Yuck! You can die.
I know.
Yeah, stop fucking doing that shit.
Who bitten my slime? Carissa!
Okay, it's coming together.
I want it to be a purple color. You shouldn't!
Sister, can I put some?
Did you actually swallow the fucking borax?
No, I was just joking.
And all of it just fucking spit
Yeah, I know, which is so mean. Okay, guys, I made a really small slime. When I'm gonna get my glue, your head is gonna make a really small slime.
No!
What if
Lila, here.
she'll be deadbolt?
Can I have some borax in our casino? Hey! You big one.
Okay,
Fuck
we're gonna
off.
see whose
Oh,
feels
fuck off.
better. Oh, I stopped saying those.
Shut up. Be quiet.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Be quiet.
Fuck you.
See, make it runny. Hey, well, it has to be runny. No, I don't want to be runny. Don't do that to you. Well, I'm making my slime my plan. Otherwise, I'm in here. Because I'm trying to like.
Okay, guys, look at this.
Oh, guys, and I'm selling slime on Twitter.
Lie. Are you selling slime on
This
Twitter?
is the purple slime, guys. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're selling slime on Twitter. So just come to our
So,
page.
who wants this one? A Milky Way purple slime.
Yeah.
And also, I can make a watery slime with water.
Or a butter slime.
Oh yeah, butter slime. Well, we have or a purple blue slime.
Or a glow in the dark slime, guys.
Yeah, because my cousin stitched me.
Oh no, pass me some, because I don't have that many. Krista, you have a lot. Okay, guys. That's the food dye. You know, if you guys make food dye in borax, it will turn out slime.
So make it hot now.
Capital G-O-D. Guys, not saying, but when a man,
When a girl calls you bitch, you say it means beautiful. Stop! That's my slime tool.
and guys, one more thing, I'm not, stop, I'm not insulting Jesus. When Mexican people do that,
Fuck off. Sorry, guys, but she's fucking make me angry.
okay, try to cover me.
If you don't know my name is Carissa Meskin. Carissa, Carissa Trady.
It's Layla Blurry.
Hey, come on.
Okay,
shower.
and when Mexican people do capital G, they go like. I'm not mocking God. When I do it, I go like.
Yeah, that's what everyone does in Marble.
What?
That's what everyone does. We already had a birthday. We already had a birthday, guys.
Hurry up.
When he was sleep, I had a bad night.
I did for.
Hurry up.
Okay, post that shit.
Okay, bye guys.